Take a ride in the 2024 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, all-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, power outlet, roof rails, adaptive cruise control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.